My name is Gundebena Shiva and my roll number is H5. I am from Electric and Communication branch, Electric and Communication Engineering branch. Today, my topic is secure spectral energy efficiency trade-off in a random cognitive relay networks. Today, my topic is secure spectral energy efficiency trade-off in a random cognitive relay networks. Spectral efficiency (SE) and energy efficiency in secure communication is of primary importance due to the fact of that 5G wireless networks aim to achieve high throughput, low power consumption and throughout and high level of security. Nevertheless, maximize spectral energy and spectral efficiency and energy efficiency are not achievable simultaneously. In this paper, we investigate the SC spectral efficiency and energy efficiency trade-off for secure transformation in cognitive relay network where all nodes are randomly distributive. We first introduce the opportunistic relay selection policy where each primary transmitter communicate with the primary receiver with the help of secondary user as a relay. Then we evaluate the secure efficiency and secure energy efficiency of the primary network based on the outage probability analysis. Thirdly, by applying a unsafe spectral efficiency and energy efficiency trade-off metric, the secure spectral efficiency SC and energy efficiency trade-off problems is formulated as the joint secure spectral efficiency and electric efficiency maximization problem, considering on the non convey features of the objective functions. And iterative algorithm is proposed to improve secure spectral efficiency and electrical efficiency trade-off. Numerically, results shows that opportunistic relay selection policy is always superior to random relay selection policy. Furthermore, the opportunistic relay selection policy outperforms conventionally direct transmission policy when faced with small security threat. For a smaller device dropper density, this secure spectral energy efficiency trade-off is random cognitive relative relay network topic thoughts that the efficiency of spectral efficiency and energy efficiency affected. This affected part we remove by applying the this affected this sorry secure spectral energy efficiency trade-off in a random cognitive relay network. This topic comes to tell that the problem with spectral efficiency and energy efficiency due to 5G wireless network problem network to achieve that 5G wireless network, si- spectral efficiency and energy efficiency affect by some problems. To solve that problems, use we introduce the opportunistic relay selection policy. This policy minimize the facing the that problems, solve that problems, which reduce the efficiency, which reduce the efficiency of, which increase the efficiency of spectral efficiency and electrical efficiency, energy efficiency. Thank you.